All right, let's dive into this explainer on a huge biological mystery, the paradox of extreme mammalian longevity.
So this is Peto's paradox. An 80-ton whale has way more cells than a mouse, but rarely gets tumors.
With that massive size, mutations should be everywhere, right? Yet clinical proof shows they literally live over 200 years.
Their secret weapon? A cold activated protein called CIRBP. It's basically an elite mechanism for fixing DNA.
This drives a cool repair, don't replace strategy. They meticulously fix damaged DNA strands instead of just trashing cells.
Because they live in freezing Arctic waters, these whales actually pump out 100 times more of this protein than us.
This is a total game changer. Trials are underway, and they've already doubled DNA repair rates in human cells.
So, to slow our own aging, are we going to take icy plunges or wait for future therapeutics? We'll see.